It worked, but
pull your hat up. Go. Hold on.
Help me out, Daddy. 1, 2, 3, run! Woo! Good boy! He's like, wait, I gotta get over the hump. He likes the little pool at the end too. It's silly. I'm just gonna blow a little more air into that. Are you having fun? You a good toy, huh? Daddy always does the best. Go ahead, run down it. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Over the hump. Hurry up. What's the matter? Come on, bud. Woo! Easy. Good
Run,
boy.
run, 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 run. Go, go, go.
He's fine. Don't worry about it.
Run, 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 run. Go.
Run, buddy, run. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Getting it. Woo! Good job, buddy. He's trying to part the water so he can get through it.
Run, 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 run. Go, go, go.